Please follow along as I read our story not fluently. My dad is a builder. He spends a lot of crime build things. My dad has a yellow hard hat. hat, hat. He got me a hat too. My hat likes just like his when I help my dad. I put on my herd hat. Okay, see how had a lot of mistakes there. Not only did I have mistakes, but I also didn't read with expression. I didn't chunk my words, and also had a really hard time with my punctuation. Now I'm going to read the same passage with a fluent tone. My dad is a builder. He spends a lot of time building things. My dad has a bright yellow hard hat. He got me a hard hat too. My hat looks just like his. When I help my dad, I put on my hard hat. My dad makes a lot of things. He has built bookshelves, chairs, and tables. So see how I read a lot more fluently. You could understand what I was reading. I read with expression, rate, volume, and it just really made a lot more sense. So whenever we're reading, we really, really, really want to aim for our fluency.